Hi everyone, this is nutritionist Harpreet Pasricha and welcome to Fit Tak. Our fingernails and our hairs, they can say so much about our health. अगर हम सही से नहीं खाना खा रहे हैं, हमारी बॉडी में न्यूट्रिएंट डेफिशिएंसी है, विल ऑटोमेटिकली सी कि जो हमारे हेयर हैं वी आर लूजिंग हेयर और वी हैविंग बॉल्ड पैचेस और देयर इज सम ग्रेइंग ऑफ हेयर और दिस थिनिंग ऑफ हेयर या उसमें शाइन एंड लस्टर चली गई है. एंड सिमिलरली जो नेल्स हैं वो बार बार टूट रहे हैं, ब्रिटल हो रहे हैं, आप उनको मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. सो दे बेसिकली आर इंडिकेटिंग वेदर वी आर इन गुड हेल्थ and whether we are eating a nutrient rich diet and we are eating all the nutrients. So today we are going to talk about different nutrients which are required for a good hair and a good strong nails. So when we talk about hair and nails, good nails, there are a lot of nutrients what our body need, and especially when we talk about vitamins, it is सबसे पहले is B vitamins. So most of the B vitamins are very important for a good hair and for a good nail. But biotin, which is also a B7 vitamin, is something which is very very important. Deficiency of biotin, आपने देखा होगा कि अगर आपका हेयर लॉस हो रहा है तो आप डॉक्टर के पास, डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाते हैं तो वो आपको इमीडिएटली बायोटिन का सप्लीमेंट डाल देते हैं, राइट. सो बायोटिन इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ गुड हेयर एंड for our stronger nails. So उसके लिए what you have to include in your diet every day is dairy, so whether it is in form of milk or curd or paneer, or you have to have nuts and seeds जैसे कि almond, walnuts या pumpkin seeds, so very important to have. Sweet potato, avocado are also rich sources of biotin. Now another important nutrient which you cannot ignore if you want a great hair and a strong nail is iron. Now oxygen is what is needed for a new cell formation, and अगर iron नहीं होगा तो oxygen supply to the new cells, to the hair follicles and nail beds will kind of get affected. So you make sure that you're not deficient in iron, and for that you have to have a good sources of iron. So green leafy vegetables, beetroot, pomegranate, apple, they are few of the good sources. Even non-vegetarian food, and all those who are vegetarian and they're worried about the iron, also try halim seeds, which is again another even olive seeds, they are again very good sources of iron, so you can try that. Along with that, do have vitamin C. ये मैं पहले भी बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ में बता चुकी हूँ that when you're having an iron rich food, do not have any dairy product, no calcium rich food, but have a vitamin C rich food for a better absorption. Another very important nutrient which is required not just for a good hair or nail or skin, it is required for our entire bodily functions, that is protein. It's a macronutrient and it is very very important for so many body functions. And when we talk about hair and skin, वो तो बहुत ही hair, skin या nails उसके लिए तो बहुत ही important है. Now you must have heard of word keratin. I'm not talking about the keratin hair treatment, I'm talking about keratin, which is a fibrous structural protein which is important for hair and skin as well as nails. Now when there is a deficiency of protein, what happens is that automatically the hair growth or the nail growth, it will not be as much, or your nails and hair will not be very strong. So make sure that you're not deficient in protein and you're eating sufficient amount of protein what is required by your body. How much do you require? We have covered in the previous videos as well. You need about a gram of protein per kilo body weight. That's a simple calculation for a normal person. I'm not talking about anybody who's into sports nutrition or who needs an extra protein, or somebody who has clinical issue who needs lesser protein. We're talking about a normal average person who would need about 1 gram of protein per kilo body weight. So if you're 60 kilos, 60 grams, 70 kilos, 70 grams. So protein sources, there are many. When we talk about non-vegetarian sources, you all know egg, chicken, fish is something which has good protein. And in vegetarian sources, whether it is dairy, that is milk and milk products, which paneer, cheese, any of these, any beans like pulses, rajma or chana, sprouts, they are all also good sources of protein. Even almond, walnut, pumpkin seeds, so they are all good sources of protein. Now also you have to have complete protein. So complete protein क्या होता है? जिसमें 9 essential amino acid होते हैं, वो important होते हैं, वो हमारी body जो है बना नहीं सकती. So we need to have that 9 essential amino acid, which then it makes a complete protein. Now non vegetarian sources जो होते हैं वो complete protein होते हैं. Vegetarian sources में थोड़ा सा ये lack होता है that we have to combine. जैसे राइस को दाल के साथ अगर आप बनाएंगे तो वो complete protein हो जाता है. Similarly आप quinoa, amaranth या soya products लेंगे, वो भी एक complete protein है. So protein is something which is very very important for a good hair and a stronger nails. Another nutrient is omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid जिसे हम सुनते हैं फैटी एसिड. सो फैट में क्या हमें दिखता है, अगर हम घी देखते हैं तेल तो एक शाइन दिखता है. सिमिलरली अगर आप सफिशेंट अमाउंट में omega-3 फैटी एसिड खाएंगे तो यू विल सी दैट लस्टर एंड शाइन इन योर हेयर एंड नेल. एंड अगर उसकी डेफिशिएंसी होगी यू विल सी दैट ड्राइनेस, और ड्राइनेस से क्या हो जाता है, ब्रिटलनेस. सो यू नीड सफिशेंट अमाउंट ऑफ omega-3 फैटी एसिड जो आपको मिलता है चिया सीड, एग, walnut or flaxseed or soya foods. So have a sufficient amount of these foods in your daily diet as well, so that you see a lustrous and a shining hair and nails. So basically you need to include all the healthy foods, you need to include all the food groups and nutrients. So what does that mean? That if you're on a crash diet or you're not eating a good food and not a nutrient rich food, and if you're not eating a wholesome food, you're not eating local foods and seasonal foods, तो क्या होगा, बॉडी में डेफिशिएंसीज होंगी. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ पीपल आर नॉट टेकिंग इनफ carbohydrate what is required by the body, they'll have B complex ka deficiency. So there's no point having supplements. It's better to have them in the natural form because absorption is much better. So if you want a good hair and good nail, I have told you certain nutrients, and as I told you certain foods as in halim seeds or chia seeds or including a complete protein in the diet can really help. Hope this video was useful and you are going to implement most of these tips.